Mittai, a main dish from Guyana. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Mix the flour, baking powder, salt, and just enough water to make a dough. Step 2. Cut the dough into small pieces and roll into strings about 1/4 inch in diameter and about 4 inches long. Step 3. Deep fry the dough strings in vegatable oil until golden brown, and place on paper towels or brown paper to soak up the excess oil. Step 4. Place in a separate bowl when the excess oil has been drained. Step 5. Boil the sugar with some water to make a syrup, then pour the syrup over the fried dough. Step 6. Shake/stir to get an even spread of the syrup, and allow to cool. As it cools, it hardens and the syrup changes to crystals, giving the Mittai the crusty sugary outside appearance. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.